Therefore, triangle DOC similar to triangle AOD. DOC similar to AOB it should be, right? Why? AA test of similarity, right? AA means what? There are 4 tests: SSS, SAS, AA and RHS, right hypotenuse side theorem. Okay, so this is for similarity, not for congruency. Okay, now these two triangles are similar, DOC and AOB. Therefore, area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle DOC equals to AB square upon DC square, right? Why? There is a theorem to you. Ratio of areas of similar triangles is equal to ratios of squares of the corresponding sides. Okay. Therefore, AOB upon area of AOB upon area of COD equals to 2CD square upon CD square. How come 2CD square? AB. It is given. AB is twice of CD. So 2CD square upon CD square, that is adjust it and it becomes 4. Therefore, COD equals to AOB upon 4. But AOB we know, that is 84. Therefore, COD equals to 16 square centimeters. That is the answer. Next, in the given figure, ABC equals to 90 degrees and BD perpendicular to AC. Okay. BD equals to 8, AD equals to 4, then find CD. Okay, so in triangle BDA and BDC, angle BDA congruent to angle BDC, right? Both are 90 degrees. Okay, in triangle BDA, DBA equals to 90. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.